What is shaking, gang? We are back in the snowy winter wonderland of Maine doing a little bit of fishing. You guys were asking me for more ice fishing videos, so here it is. We're gonna make it happen. It is approximately 9:00 something in the morning. This is the tail end of my second trip up to my camp in Maine, and I'm linking up with the boys again, Ryan and Devin, and we are going to chase after fish that I am very familiar with and that you guys are probably very familiar with. That being, well, I'm not gonna spoil it, but basically this fish you can catch in 49 states in the United States, except for Alaska. And I could even be wrong though. There may be these fish in Alaska, but I don't know. Anyway, it's the most notorious fish in the US, and we're gonna chase after them under the ice. It's so crazy to think that I can go down to Texas and catch these fish in open water, but I can also move up north to Maine and still find the same species. So we're gonna be going after these guys today, looking for a big one. I've yet to really fish too much of anything other than trout since I've quote unquote moved to Maine, but I figured this would be an awesome chance to diversify and go after something completely different. I also want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, that being Mystery Tackle Box. We're gonna be using one of their ice boxes today, and I'm gonna intro you guys to some of their other boxes they sell, because they don't just sell bass boxes. Like I've mentioned previously, they make saltwater boxes, they make catfish boxes. It's really a diverse company. We're gonna check out this Ice Pro box, see if we can catch some fish on what is inside of here. I also gave the boys a box too, so they're probably gonna be dabbling with that as well. But we're here, we've made it. We're gonna get active, we're gonna get moving. Hope you guys enjoy, stick with it, stay tuned, and let's go get them. Get 'em. Okay, so we've made it out in the lake successfully. It's pretty chilly out here, but the cool thing is it seems like we got this whole place to ourselves. Before we get cracking though, I want to let you guys know that if you want to sign up for Mystery Tackle Box, be sure to use this code right here to get your first box for as low as $5. It doesn't matter if you're going for a bass box, an ice fishing box, a saltwater box. It's a great way to get some new bait sent to your doorstep every single month. And if you want to save some money, if you're a new type subscriber, be sure to use this code right here or click the link down in the description below. But yeah, we've got the hole all ready to go, and then I'm just gonna start doing some jigging. There's Duke and Dove and Ryan down there. They're getting some tip-ups rigged up for some much larger fish. I'm just gonna mess around with the jigging pole for the meantime and see if I can bring some fish topside on the ice. But anyway, let's go catch some fish. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. There's a fish. He's coming right at it. He's gonna hit it. He's gonna eat it. Here he comes. There he is. There's the first one of the day on the jigging rod. Oh, it feels really good. He's right up under the ice. Oh, it's a giant perch. Wow. Nice little perch. See you later, dude. Take care. That thing fought really hard. I thought it was like a monster. I thought it was a donkey. Oh, there's another fish down there. I gotta get back down in the zone. There's another fish. That thing ate such a big bait too. Oh wow, there's tons of fish down there now. I can just see them off to the left and right. Get ready for this, boys. This is going down. This is going down. We're gonna get some fish today. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. It's coming right at it. It's coming right at it. It's coming right at it. Oh, where at? She rolling?
Yeah, it's been going. It just stopped.
When do you guys pick it up? Oh yeah.
There?
Yep.
How's she feel?
Fast?
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh yeah. She's way off. Oh yeah, nice largie. There we go. And that's the one we're after. Hold that puppy up. Nice, dude. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was the big bait.
Down the gullet too.
Choked it.
Holy moly.
Back down it goes.
Swallowed it.
I showed them.
Sick.
Bing.
Well, you have it. That's the fish we're after today. It's so funny. You can catch them all the way down south in Texas, and you can catch them all the way up here in Maine. Devin and Ryan have set all these traps up for much larger largemouth, and then in the meantime, to keep myself busy, I'm jigging. As soon as that flag went off, I had something good come up. I missed him. I was like kind of torn as to whether I should run towards the flag or keep jigging that fish. Both got bites, so yeah, that's it. That is the fish we're after. It's so crazy you can catch them up here. Though they're not native, right? Isn't that weird? Not native up in Maine. So strange. Jesus, same one.
Great.
attention? No?
Taking it and running with it and then dropping it. Got him.
Did you?
Yep.
Oh, right
he
on.
just came off.
Oh.
There he is.
No?
He came back and hit it again.
No way. How's it feel?
Good.
Oh my god, that's a good
There we go.
fish. Holy moly.
Literally lost him twice. And he came back
Dude,
and
just
hit
like
it again.
open water fishing, come up and miss the jig.
Yeah. Dude, they're sucking it down so
Yeah,
bad.
they're not hesitant at all. Let me see if I get
He
that.
must have been like sitting there and then.
Yeah, I literally pulled it out of his mouth. He came back, took it, lost him, then came back again. Perfect.
Flag! Another one. Jesus. What do we have here? Hopefully a 10-pound largie. State record largie. Holy, this thing's peeling. This thing is peeling. This joker's going hard. There we go. Got him. Got him. This one feels good. This one feels really good. Oh yeah, nice largie. There we go. Knock the snot out of it, dude. That thing, the whole like
Trap was
just shaking.
Yeah.
First largemouth of the day on the trap. Okay, back she goes. LMB number 3. Is that number 3 for us?
Yep.
Wow, nice boys. We're racking them and stacking them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's one. Here's a high flyer. Here's a high flyer. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is happening. This is happening. This is happening. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Come on. Please be a nice largemouth. Please be a nice largie. Oh boy, I think this is a good largemouth. Come on, don't come off. Don't come off. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Interesting. Not what I anticipated. Damn, that thing fought so hard. So this is kind of, I don't know, I think it's a unique species to the Northeast. We have something very similar in Texas. They call them white perch up here, I believe. And they're in the same family, I think, as like a white bass or like a sand bass, something like that you'd catch in the reservoirs in Texas. But as you can tell, they don't have any stripes on them. Really cool looking fish. There we go, you can get a better look at him now. He was hanging really high in the water column and I brought my my little tantrum all the way up and he just crushed it. Such a unique fish. I've heard they taste pretty good. We're gonna put this guy back though. Let him live for another day. Okay, that's really interesting. We've got a few species down today. There he goes. That's wicked cool. That is such a cool little fish. I've never caught one of those things before. Weird. It's literally just like a white bass with 0 stripes. Came out and crushed it. Where? Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's spinning. Spinning, it's spinning. Get it, Dev. Get it, get it, get it. It's spinning hard. Spinning so hard. Wreck this thing. Got him?
Yep, it's not that big.
No? It's running so fast.
Might be decent.
What you
but-
got? What you got? What you got? What you got? Who's running at you? Who's running at you? Oh, what happened? He wasn't hooked? Dude, that was
The
ridiculous.
bait isn't even like messed
No,
up.
no, he's not even touched. That flag went right off
Probably
in
was
front
a
of me.
perch. It probably,
think?
Yeah, because they run like
They run, yeah. Damn, that was intense though. He was humming. That's so funny.
Oh yeah.
Ryan's like, flag. I'm like, where? Nah, it was running hard though. Well, you may be able to tell things are starting to ramp up here on the ice. We're getting a lot of flags, a lot of traps to go off. That was so funny. I just caught that perch and then right in front of me, the flag with the giant minnow pops up. So nothing on that one though, which is weird. Actually, most of these flags that we are approaching have fish on them, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna move over to some other areas, jig up some spots. My goal for today is catch a largemouth on a little tiny crankbait on the jigging rod. So yeah, I don't know. That's all I got to say. She's going good on the ice though. It's a little chilly, but the bite's hot. The bite is hot. There we go. Oh my God, there he goes, there he goes. There we go. There's a nice fish. That might be a largemouth. That could be a largemouth. That very well could be a nice largemouth. Oh yeah, that's not a small fish. We got a nice hook up here, boys. This feels pretty damn good. Holy moly, that thing came out like a freaking hog. This would be my first largemouth on a rod all season. Through the ice. Let's see if we can get him to... Oh yeah, stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. Stay on there, work with me. Work with me here. Don't you come off now. Don't you come off now. She's wrecking herself on the ice. Oh my God, I gotta be careful. Oh, that's a good large. Oh, that's a nice largemouth. Oh my God, that's a good largemouth. Look at the size of that guy. Absolutely crushed the micro tantrum. What a beaut. What a beaut. Love it. This is the crazy thing about Maine is you can go up north and chase after legendary brook trout, but you can also drop down south and then hammer some LMBs on little micro lipless crankbaits. Look at that thing, it's so small. Give you guys a good look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. I was just catching these guys down south about a week ago with my buddy Bill. Now we're cutting holes in the ice and popping through absolute chunks. I think it's probably close to 2.5 pounds. Just annihilated it. Wow, it's insane how these big fish will key in on such little baits. Look at the size of this. It's like the world's smallest lipless crankbait. This is actually a little frostbite tantrum. It's the smaller version of what we were using for trout a few days ago. Okay, gonna slide buddy back down the hole. There he goes, back down. Woo! Mission success. That is the fish I was after on the rod. Unreal.
We need 2 flags up. That's why.
Seriously? All right. All right.
You and Deb go get him. I'm gonna keep the heat going.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
You get the fresh, or I'll get the new one or whatever. Caught that largemouth on the spinning gear. We've got a flag here. Is this one moving at all? Doesn't look like it's moving. Let's give it a second. Normally when these flags go off, you look at the actual spool to see if it's moving. If it's moving, usually there's a fish on there eating the bait. As you can see. Oh, hell yeah. Dove over there's with Duke. He's got a nice largemouth. Probably about a 3-pounder. I think it's been sitting there for like 30 minutes. Looks like Dev has got a nice fish on the trap. I don't see my spool moving, but that doesn't mean that there isn't a fish there. Let's go investigate. There could be something on here. Yep, there we go. That's a good fish. There he is. He's got it. Oh yeah. Yo, Dev, bring yours over here. Or I'll come over there with mine. It's a good one too. There we go. Spool was not moving, but it is a nice largemouth. There we go. Okay, hook is out. It's a nice fish. First double of the day, boys. Check her out. Oh yeah, yours is nice. Holy moly. Oh wow. There we have it. Doubles.
Here.
Can you get a picture? Yeah, let's get a pic. Maine grows them big. Okay, it's awesome. Double release. How legendary is this? Duke's like, no, I wanted to play with them. That was sweet. That was so sweet. There we freaking go. These boys are out here making it look easy. That's 2 flags in like, what was that, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
We're about to set up the hub. Gonna do some jigging as well. It's tough to do jigging when the flags are going off like crazy. Unreal, dude, unfreaking real. What do you know? Another freaking flag is up. School this puppy. It's not spinning, but I bet there's a fish on there. It's way off to the right. He took a bit of line, didn't he?
Yeah, it's gotta be perch, dude.
Perch just...
I don't know.
Why do perch go that hard? They just take it and run?
Well, this is not the same yet. Holy.
Jesus, this one was tooting, dude. I don't think a swordfish could take that much line. And
What the heck?
dude, it's a little gnarled up.
Not bad.
Not bad though, yeah. Wow, that's crazy. So basically we had 14 feet of line, and that's how much line that fish, that mystery fish, took. That's a serious yeah, wow. Let me help you out here. Well, gang, I I think that's gonna be a fat wrap for today's video. Must say I'm pretty stoked that I got my first ever Maine largemouth through the ice. It's so funny. I've never fished in Maine before, and every single fish, including my first one ever, came through the ice. So I'm really stoked to see what this place fishes like in the spring and summer. But in the meantime, I have an absolute blast up here in the winter. It feels good to get reacquainted with the ice fishing skills that I felt like I completely lost once I moved to Texas. I also want to say huge shout out to these boys once again for showing a scrub how it's done.
Great
Ryan and Dev just putting in the work. Really generous of them to show me some of their honey holes or local spots. Couldn't have done it without them today. Got my first ever largemouth and my first ever largemouth on a jigging rod for the 2020 season, so that's absolutely huge. Sad to say this, but this is gonna be my last day in Maine for now. I'm gonna leave tomorrow, head back to Texas, fish for a bit. Then we're gonna do some southern fishing, some warm water fishing. Gonna be linking up with my buddy Elliot, who is a shark fanatic. It's gonna be a lot different than what I've been doing these past 2 weeks, but I'm excited to thaw out for a bit and try some new stuff. But anyway, I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate the view. Drop me a comment down below what we should film here in Maine. I keep asking you guys, and I love the ideas you guys are throwing me. I'm gonna be up here, I think probably, I want to say in a week and a half, for a long time. I'm gonna be for like 2 weeks doing some fishing, exploring. I really want to get after these past few trips. I've just kind of been getting my feet wet, but I'm going head first, diving into it in February. So I'm very stoked about that. But anyway, I'm signing out. Thank you guys so much for the view. As always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.